Next topic, exercise 8.1, question number 1 and 2. Question number 1, the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Angle sum property. Here 3:5:9:13 can be written as 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. X is the common ratio. Then you can write it. The sum of the measures of the four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. That means angle sum property of a quadrilateral. That means 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Here 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 30x equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 divided by 30 equal to 12. Therefore, four angles 3x, 3 into 12 equal to 36. Next step 5x, 5 into 12 equal to 60 degree. 9x, 9 into 12 108 degree. Next step 13x, 13 into 12 equal to 156 degree. These are the four angles of a quadrilateral. Second question. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. These two diagonals are equal. AC equal to BD. Given AC equal to BD, ABCD is a parallelogram. AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC, comma AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle means angle A, one of the angle equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that angle A equal to 90 degree. How can you prove this? Okay, proof. First consider two triangles. Triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Consider triangle ABD and AB equal to BA, common except AD equal to BC, equal to BC, sides of a parallelogram, they are equal. Next here BD equal to AC, given diagonals are equal, given. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC by SSS congruence criterion. Okay. These two triangles are congruent, that means triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC by SSS congruence criterion. Then these two triangles are congruent means corresponding parts of a congruent triangles are also equal. That means angle A and angle B are equal. Angle A equal to angle B, reason CPCT, that means corresponding parts of a congruent. Here in this figure, AD and BC are parallel sides. AB acts as a transversal, then angle A and angle B form a supplementary angle because angle A and angle B are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay, AD parallel to BC, AB act as a transversal, angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree because AD parallel to BC, okay, co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay. Angle A equal to angle B. Then you can write it in the place of angle B, you can write it what? Angle A. Therefore, angle A plus angle A equal to 180 degree. To angle A equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to 180 degree divided by 2 equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle B also 90 degree because angle A equal to angle B. Here in this figure, here angle A equal to 90 degree, angle B also 90 degree. That means ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. So AD equal to BC, AB equal to DC, this is a parallelogram. This parallelogram we already proved that angle A equal to 90 degree, angle B also 90 degree. Similarly, we can prove that angle C and angle D also 90 degree. Then we can write it as ABCD is a rectangle.